North Myrtle Beach mornings hit different on the water. If you're dreaming of deep-sea fishing off Myrtle Beach, this is your crew. We launch from Little River and run out fast, or stay inshore and work the flats. From Ocean Isle Beach to Sunset Beach, Murrells Inlet and Calabash, we know where the bite is. First time or seasoned angler? We'll coach you through every hook set and bring the energy. Cold drinks, tight lines, and a cooler that feels earned. For your next trip, visit us online.